Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the microphones in your SOUNDCORE Liberty 5. So, let me take, for example, the right earbud to the showcase. So, as you can see, here they have this little hole. Yes, this is the first microphone, and this is the microphone used to talk with people. Both, it's here on the right and left earbud. If you want to know where is the IS microphone, it's over here, right here at the top of this stick over here. The same is on this one. Here, these are not the microphones, these are in-ear sensors, so don't worry. And actually, that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.